So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be seeing the unboxing and review of a new futsal shoes.
To our disappointment, guys, there is no unboxing for the shoe. The shoe comes in a parcel which has the Ziploc bag within which the shoes are present. And on the Ziploc bag we have the price of the shoe as well as the size of the shoe. Where in this case the price is 500 rupees and my size is size 10. So you can check out your price based on the size, where I provided the links down in the description below. You can check it out after the video.
So futsal is a growing sport in India where you play football in a small pitch which is indoor. So as far as I'm considered, this may be one of the best football shoes for beginners in futsal.
The first impressions on the shoe were really nice for me. The sole felt very solid and the shoe was very lightweight. The sole has a grip which resembles the NIVIA logo.
So starting with the look, this doesn't have a really aesthetic appearance, but the design pattern seems familiar, and also it comes in only two color forms, the blue and the black variant. Which makes it very durable, and also it aids for a very soft touch. The upper of this material is made up of a PUC synthetic leather. With this material, the boot feels very extra lightweight. So when wearing the shoe, you literally feel that you're on barefoot. So I've tried to do some freestyle moves and also ground moves with the shoes. It turned out really good, especially with the ground moves. I'm not a really professional ground moves, but still I really love to do ground moves with these shoes because it's lightweight and its flat front sole makes it perfect to do ground moves and to play futsal. So speaking about the price fact of this boot, which is actually very important, so it comes around 500 rupees and the price varies based on the size which you prefer. Down in the description I'll be putting up the link where you can buy the shoe and also check the price based on your foot size. So that's all you need to know about this boot, guys. So if you are really interested to buy this boot, check the description down below, and also while you're down there, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. If you have any doubts about the shoe, make sure you put them down in the comments below. I'll sure respond to them. Until next video, is Prashanth, Balaji signing off. Peace.